Hey everybody, in today's quick 1-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 subscribers. If you find this video informative, please give it a like. Let's get right to it. Alright everybody, we're currently on my phone, so you're going to want to launch the TikTok app. And first you're going to want to check to see, maybe you already have the live option available. To do that, you're going to want to select the little plus icon button down here, and you can scroll at the bottom here, as you're probably aware of, but there should be a live option. If there's not, then you're going to want to follow the rest of this tutorial to get that put on your account. So what you're going to want to do next is go into your profile. I'm currently in my profile, but if you're not, you're going to of course just want to select the profile icon down here in the bottom right. Once you're in your profile, the top 3 lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, select that, scroll down to report a problem. And once that loads up, you're going to want to scroll down till you see the live option here. Select live. And now on the top right, there's a little create a ticket icon. You're going to want to select that. And then it's going to say your feedback. You're going to want to select the icon again. Now, you're going to want to say a brief message, something, hi, I cannot go live on my account. There is no live option. Can you please fix this for me? Thank you. Just short and sweet, and then select report. Now, it's been my experience, a TikTok representative will get back to you within usually 48 to 72 hours, and you'll be able to go back to your account and see a live option now available. So, well everybody, I hope you found today's video helpful on how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Again, if you found this video informative, please give it a like. It helps surface this video to more people interested in this topic. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.